Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Lynette, and today we are discussing support provisions in family law. In Texas family law, support provisions are essential in ensuring the financial well-being of the spouses and the children after a separation or divorce. These provisions primarily include child support and spousal maintenance, both of which are designed to provide financial stability to the receiving party. Texas courts determine support obligations based on statutory guidelines, individual circumstances, and the best interests of the children involved. Understanding how these support provisions work is crucial for anyone going through a family law case in Texas. Child support is one of the most common support provisions in Texas family law. The Texas Family Code establishes a guideline formula that calculates child support based on the paying parents' net resources. The amount typically depends on the number of children being supported, with percentages increasing as the number of children rises. Courts may also adjust the amount based on special circumstances, such as a child's medical or educational needs. Once ordered, child support is legally enforceable, and failure to pay can result in serious consequences, including wage garnishment, license suspension, or even jail time. Spousal maintenance, also known as alimony, is less common than child support, but may be awarded in specific cases where one spouse lacks sufficient financial resources after a divorce. Texas law allows for spousal maintenance only if the requesting spouse can prove eligibility, such as being married for at least 10 years and lacking the ability to provide for their basic needs. Courts also consider factors like the length of the marriage, each spouse's financial situation, and the instances of family violence when determining whether spousal maintenance is appropriate. Modification and enforcement of support provisions are also significant aspects of Texas family law. If a party experiences substantial change in circumstances, such as a job loss or increased financial needs, they may request a modification of child support or spousal maintenance. However, any changes must be approved by the court before they take effect. Similarly, if a party fails to comply with a court-ordered support obligation, enforcement measures, including contempt of court proceedings, may be pursued to ensure compliance. Navigating support provisions in Texas can be complex, and having legal guidance is crucial to ensuring that your rights and obligations are properly addressed. Whether you are seeking child support, spousal maintenance, or modifications to an existing order, the law office of Bryan Fagan is here to help. Contact us today for a consultation to discuss your case and protect your financial future, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.